Hey guys, today my friend Mia and I are going to do a huge challenge, challenge for both of us. We're going to go to this cafe that we've wanted to go for a very long time and have a snack there, but not the snack that we're kind of used to, so it's a big challenge and I thought I'd bring you guys all along the way.
So small.
Mia is very, very small. So we are on our way to this cafe that we've wanted to try for a very long time, and it has some yummy treats in it. It's called the Pink Cafe. Pink Ink Cafe. And I'm allergic to dairy, so this place does like vegan stuff. I'm not vegan, but I'm allergic to dairy, so it makes things a little harder. But we're going there and we're going to challenge ourselves, and we're going to pick something yummy and that we wouldn't usually pick. So
Anorexia is not invited today.
yes. Alright, so I will continue to update. Just left the Pink Ink Cafe and we challenged ourselves to like this biscuit with icing on it, something we haven't done in years, and a nice tea that changed colour. It was pretty cool, and yeah, we smashed it and we're just going to do a bit of shopping now. But yeah, so I've just come back from the cafe, and I'm really pleased that we did it. It was something that we've wanted to do for so long, and we achieved it. And it may seem small to some people, but that was such a big achievement for us, and it was a really good step. But yeah, thanks for watching this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.